The first step is to install the lock body in this position and tighten the screws. The second step is to install the front side of the lock to the door and to pull the power cord from the hole to the back. The third step is to install the panel on the back of the door through the power cord and tighten the screws. The fourth step is to install the back of the lock on the corresponding position of the door and connect the power supply line to the battery. Completed.
Tom strokes the panel, enters the correct 6-digit password, then enters the pound, presses the handle down to the end after the long ringing, and pushes the door in the direction of opening. Open the phone app. Click on the lock. You can open the door. When the above two methods are unable to open the door, special plans can be adopted. The designer of the lock is designed to hide mechanical holes. First, use the inside 6 threads to unscrew the small pull screw. Pull out the handle and use the key to unlock.